There is an ancient saying that goes, "Life is a boomerang. What you give, you get." We often forget this. We walk through our days frustrated, angry, or rude, and then we are surprised when the world is rude back to us. We think the world is happening to us, but in reality, the world is happening from us. Everything you do sends a ripple into the universe. Every word you speak, every action you take, and even every thought you think, it travels out. It hits a wall, and it bounces back. If you are feeling like the world is a cold, hard place today, please listen to this story. It might change the way you use your hands and your heart. Once, in a small village, lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was not a bad kid, but he was angry. He had a bad day at school, his parents had scolded him, and he felt like the whole world was against him. He was walking home, kicking the dirt, carrying a heavy cloud of frustration over his head. On the corner of the street, he saw a stray dog. The dog was sleeping peacefully in the sun, bothering no one. But Sam, filled with his own anger, wanted to release it. He wanted to feel powerful. He picked up a stone from the ground and threw it hard at the sleeping dog. Thwack! The stone hit the poor animal. The dog yelped in pain, jumped up, and ran away limping and terrified. Sam laughed. For a second, he felt better. He felt strong. "Stupid dog," he muttered. But the universe has a way of balancing the scales. Just a few minutes later, Sam turned the corner and started walking down a steep, rocky hill. Because he was still laughing and not paying attention, he didn't see a large tree root on the path. He tripped. He fell hard, twisting his ankle and scraping his knees against the sharp gravel, his satsar bleeding and crying in pain. "Help!" he shouted. "Someone help me!" Several people walked by. They saw him, but they saw a boy with a scowl on his face, a boy who looked angry and mean. They assumed he was just causing trouble. No one stopped. No one offered a hand. He sat there alone, in pain, just like the dog he had hurt. An old man, who had seen everything, the stone, the dog, and the fall, walked over to Sam. He didn't help him up immediately. He looked him in the eye. "Why did no one help me?" Sam cried. "This town is terrible." The old man shook his head. "No, my son. The town is a mirror. Life is like a canyon. If you scream 'I hate you' into a canyon, the echo comes back. 'I hate you. I hate you.' If you throw stones at the world throws stones at you. You threw pain at that dog, and now you are sitting in pain. You threw indifference, and now you are receiving indifference." Sam looked down, ashamed. The old man helped him up and said something that we all need to remember. "You are not punished for your anger. You are punished by your anger." Think about that. When you carry hate in your heart, it is like holding a burning coal waiting to throw it at someone else. You are the one who gets burnt first. When you are rude to a waiter, or mean in a comment section, or cold to your spouse, you are poisoning your own environment. You are making your own world a hostile place to live. But the good news: the echo works both ways. If you scream, "I love you," into the canyon, love comes back. If you offer a hand to someone who has fallen, a hand will be there when you fall. So, here is my challenge to you today. Throw something beautiful into the world. Give a compliment. Forgive a mistake. Feed a stray dog. Watch how fast it comes back to you. If you believe in the power of kindness, write "kindness echoes" in the comments. Subscribe to the Hopeful Tree. Plant good seeds, and you will grow a beautiful life.